I shouldn't feel so gleeful about this text time I send, but truth time I am, cause this man he's trifling. And I ain't one to trifle with, cause damn I seen it all. It's time to smoke him out, place my bet, make the call. To catch a man who is wasting your time, you gotta lay out your cards and see what you'll find. To this one I said, I like you a lot, but where you at, man? You planning to put me on lock? 8 hours later, I couldn't help but laugh when I saw his reply. I was like, all day for that. He said, I enjoyed talking and hanging out with you, but I'm kind of busy and bad at communicating too. God, he is precious. I've seen his act before. He don't want to lose me, but can't commit to more. But sorry ain't sorry. You may be a great guy, but I got needs of my own. I don't care about your why. See, I'm 25 and grown, ready to be put on lock, so there's no way I'm waiting for this guy to grow up. Tell you the truth that he's a great guy, but he ain't grown enough to grow up and say goodbye.
Goodbye, goodbye, you are dismissed. I said goodbye. Goodbye, you are dismissed. I said goodbye. Goodbye, you are dismissed. I told you goodbye. Goodbye, you are dismissed.
And now before you ask, he ain't even like that. There ain't another girl, got a gentleman at bat. But even a good man when he steps up to the plate, chokes when it's time and swings when it's too late. Exhibit A, direct from this man. I'm a basic bitch, babe, ding dong ditching when I can. You know what's really basic when you're 28 and grown, saying you're bad at communicating like you ain't wrong. To go 5 days, answering every other text, making plans in April, but still you can't commit. And now I ain't basic, I'm the highest level bitch, and I'll call you on your evasive waffle load of shit. Told you from the start, tell me if you ain't feeling it. You said it ain't gonna happen, then you stopped killing it. Here's a lesson, a next one if you please. Grow up and be honest, that's all a girl needs.
Goodbye, goodbye, you are dismissed. I said goodbye. Goodbye, you are dismissed. I told you goodbye. Goodbye, you are dismissed. I said goodbye. Goodbye, you are dismissed.
You don't get points for holding my door or buy my meal and not pressing me for more. To me that is basic, more basic than you, and in my standards you're just minimum, boo. And yeah, I did like you and maybe still do, but I got no regrets that I dismissed you. See, this ain't Lifetime, no tear for your story, it's ESPN, it's the big leagues, boy. And it ain't personal, it's business, you see, cause I know I got a better offer waiting on me. So sorry, handsome, I'm back on the market, a hot commodity. If you liked it, should've bought it.
Goodbye, goodbye, you are dismissed. I said goodbye. Goodbye, you are dismissed. I told you goodbye. Goodbye, you are dismissed. I said goodbye. Goodbye, you are dismissed. I said goodbye. Goodbye, you are dismissed. I said goodbye. Goodbye, you are dismissed. I told you goodbye. Goodbye, you are dismissed. I said goodbye. Goodbye, you are dismissed.